Yo, 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 what up? Walid or Fugaz, right? Yeah. And then Trade Breaker, morning. All right, guys, what we thinking today? Y'all long, short? What's the game plan for you guys today? I'm feeling, let's see. I didn't even check the market yet, so let's see. Let's see. Let's put that high already. Ads, bro. I think I'm feeling bearish off open maybe, and then maybe we get a push. I want us to push towards this London low right here. Yeah, I think that's the plan. Yeah, I think we possibly go for London lows. I don't know if we go for this low over here, 650 or sorry 560. So maybe something like this. Yeah, I think something like this maybe for now. We do have FOMC later today, so I don't know how the markets will react, but maybe if we like close below over here. I mean, market opens gonna happen right now, so we'll see what happens. All right, market open. Tapped into this for value app right here, FEG. Let's see what happens if we reject right here. I think the only way I would probably go long is if we could close above up here and then do something like this. Start rejecting right there. Or am I still showing my executions? I do it every now and then. It's not all the time. I don't want people copying my trades. But let's see. Weird open. How's ES looking? I think it's fine. I think we might slam down right now though. Okay, well, I think it's gonna get taken and I can't really do anything about it. Alright, I think I might take a stab short right now then. Let's give it a try. Not the greatest risk to reward, but I'm gonna try to hold for 560s, but my break even is gonna be these London lows. So once we hit these London lows, then I'll go break even. I don't know if, yeah, and then I'll just try to hold. So that's the game plan. All right, so now I'm break even already. It's quick break even. I might get stopped immediately, but we'll see. If it continues to dump, I'll just take it off, I guess. It's really close to my break even. Okay, I got break even, so yeah, gave it a try. I think ES still has a ways to go, so it's fine. I wanted it to dump though. But I'm not gonna risk it, so that's the only time I give that short. It could continue to dump, but I'm not gonna try to mess with it for a little bit. But we do have FOMC later, so I still like shorts though, because ES still hasn't taken it. I mean, it is an SMT, but I don't know if we just push off of that. Oof. I have a lot of low resistance liquidity right here though. Or sorry, higher resistance. Low resistance. I don't know what you call it, but let's see. Pretty wiki open so far, so just be careful. Let's see. It's just matter to make sure. No news. Yeah. Okay, so just FOMC later today. That's it. Quick scroll on YouTube. I think we just send it lower right here. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're just selling off now. Yo, what is up, Mizu? I've been good. Still continuing to sell off. This is kind of what I wanted, but unfortunately got stopped out, so we're just kind of chilling now. Bit chilling. Once we take this low, I'll see if I want to continue short or not. Because like if we take this ES low, right? So we just swept that low on ES, that London low, right? So now if we sweep this and start immediately reacting to the upside, then I will probably be bullish. So the only way I would be bullish though is if we inverse this. But if we could kind of retrace into here and then take this 560 level, I would like that too. But yeah, see, this is kind of the move I wanted earlier, but unfortunately got stopped break even, but it's whatever. New videos when? Maybe this week. I'm thinking about doing more prop firm reviews too. Not reviews, but like updates, like just prop firm news overall. I've been wanting to do that, but I've just kind of been putting it outside. We're getting near the end of 2025, so I got another vacation coming up soon. So just kind of been taking it easy, I guess. So we're gonna definitely go harder 2026 though. The goal is maybe a quarter mil. We'll see. I don't know if that's possible, but shit. So big retrace. I kind of want to just take a stab short, but it's super risky right now. Just because, like I said, ES took that London low. So I'll probably, if we close back above, I would probably go long. I just don't like longing with like, you know, that big of a liquidity below, so. Damn, just complete inversion right here. Alright, well, I mean, we closed above. Let me see how this next candle reacts. Alright, we're just gonna keep sending it, I guess. I'm not gonna enter, bro. This is already too far gone for me. Like, I was hoping it would flip down so I could get an entry, but it's not gonna flip down, so no entry for me. Damn, that's unlucky. If we could retrace back down, I would want to enter somehow. Yeah, possible longs is what I'm thinking. Just the only thing I don't like is that 560 liquidity, and we didn't retrace yet, so I think I'll wait for a confirmation candle though. So I'm gonna wait for a even if we tap into it, I'm not gonna take it. I'll wait for a strong closure out of this fair value gap / BPR, and then take the entry. Okay, so there's like the tap somewhat. I want a deeper retrace though, and then once we get that deeper retrace, then I'll go wait for a confirmation out of it. A super deep retrace, I like that. I guess another thing I could do is maybe take a starter position and then scale in. I could do that, but let's see. Yeah, ES looks really clean with that V-shaped recovery, so yeah, super clean on ES at least. I just want a confirmation candle out of here. So like my trade would probably look like maybe us retrace and then confirmation. I'll have my stop within this fair value gap like this or something. Something like this, but like I said, I need a confirmation candle out of here. So this candle I want to see push right here. So this candle I want to see close maybe around like 640, and then I'll enter. Still no confirmation. Maybe we get it on this candle right here. We have a lot of liquidity to the upside, which I like, so I'll probably do something like that. This was a fat candle. 80 points. Push almost 80 points. Okay, I like that. I really like that. Okay, so let's see. I'm getting ready to enter long. Okay, I'm waiting until it flips. So I'm not in yet. Once it flips back bullish, then I'll enter. Okay, I'm in longs. So I trade something like this somewhat. I don't know if I'll hold that long, but break even's gonna be around 663 right here. We're already 10 points in profit almost, so I don't know if I would like if I have my stop loss down here, that would be pretty fat. I don't know if I want that. It's already a 30-point stop loss, so I think I'll just have it like right here, maybe. And then break even 663. And then try to hold for maybe 88. ES looking really good though. We're super strong on ES. Still a long ways to go for London highs, but we'll just see. Definitely, if you want a safer stop loss, I would say maybe right here, but I'll re-enter if I need to. I still like it if we get stopped. I just want to push right here though, ideally. After this strong candle closure right here, I want to see more momentum to the upside rather than just us chopping around and kind of messing around this area. But ES so far is retracing into a fair value gap. ES doesn't have a fair value gap, so SMT fair value gap basically, where one has one taps into a fair value gap and the other one doesn't. Actually, I don't even know if you would call that an SMT fair value gap, but okay. New condition is this re-break of the swing high right here is my new break even. We're gonna play it super safe in defense today. So if we get that re-break of the high up here. Okay, there we go. So we re-broke that high. I'll go break even right now just to be super safe, but yeah, we'll just see. Like I said, I just want to see a fat push right now, basically. I don't want us to mess around in this area. Push towards 68 would be ideal. I have my TP at 70 right here. My TP is gonna be around 70 right here. So far up around maybe 300-ish. Up about 10, 15 points. Nice push. Nice push. Keep pushing. Really close to TP. I don't know if I just want to take it off or not. I think I'll try to hold, but we'll see. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm out. That is my TP. Let's fucking go, guys. Hey, who took that shit? Who took that shit, bro? Hey, food guys, you take that? Mizu, you take that? Trade Breaker, you take that? W, bro. W. I'm glad we were really patient today, though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, ES. Yeah, food guys, you're 100% right. It's just I never execute on ES. That's why. But ES is S plus today, like A plus 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 setup. Yo, what up, Duma? Yeah, this was just like a super clean trade. This is an A+ trade on ES specifically. On NQ, I would give it like maybe a B+. The only reason I don't like it is we didn't sweep this 4-hour swing low. The only reason I give it a B setup is we didn't sweep this 4-hour swing low, which I'm kind of sketched out about. But I guess at the same time, you could call it maybe an SMT, right? SMT with NQ, right? And then another reason why I didn't like it too much on NQ is because I honestly would have liked a deeper retrace into here. So maybe like a wick like all the way down here. And then we get a super strong candle closure like somewhere right here, right? Hey, but it's fine. Super clean. We got our strong candle closure confirmation candle right here instead. Once we get that confirmation candle, what does that mean? It means that we're going to be holding this fair value gap / BPR area. That gives me confidence that we're going to be on the right side of the momentum, right? On the correct side of the momentum and just carry that. We're not going to be super greedy for the entirety of the trade. Just take what we could get. So we basically just went for the internal play, right? Once we take this internal, we're basically out. But if you guys were still in this play, I think I have confidence potentially in these London highs. Just be careful. Today is FOMC, so price action could be slowing down a little bit. But I'm just gonna take what the market gives me. I'll go for 25 points, and basically I'm good. Bro wanted me to get stopped out at your entry. W Nash shorts today. Oh, you guys have shorts in? Let's go. Go Duma. I got in short right here somewhere, but I got stopped out break even, unfortunately. So Duma, today what is one break even, one I was trying to hold for 560 though, I'm not gonna lie, but we're up pretty. I think it was up like maybe $300, so 15 points, and then I got stopped break even on the short side. On the long side, just clean overall, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm up another 493, so yeah, 100% done for the day. I'm not gonna be trying to mess with that because I know myself. I'm gonna be getting greedy. I'm gonna be fucking shit up, so we are good. But yeah, any news on your guys' end today? How have you guys been? Anyone gotten any payouts or anything? You guys doing anything for Christmas? So you got stopped at break even. Yeah, that's unlucky because I risked a lot more because we got barcode before PA before open. Stop was wider, I mean. Just recently passed your eval. Congratulations, Mizu. Fresh start to the eval this month. Let's go, Duma. Hey, fresh start's all you need. Y'all got this shit. I'm telling you, that one payout will change your fucking life. But you have to understand, like, there are people, myself included, where you just blow through that payout money instantly, right? But it's like a turning point because you know you could do it now, right? You've gotten a little taste of it, right? But just gotta replicate it consistently over and over, right? So you guys got this, right? That first payout's gonna hit crazy, bro. Go buy yourself some beef jerky at the local store, bro. Beef jerky expensive as shit, bro, but fucking do it. You got payout money. Let's go. Nah, but in all seriousness, I would say try to save that money as much as you can. Don't buy another account. Just trade that one account that you got to pay out with as best you can. Again, try to get another payout on that same account. Do not spend it on more accounts yet, right? Until you've gotten maybe 2 payouts, right? Just stick with 1 or 2 accounts maximum if you got your first payout, right? Do not try to risk it with more accounts and trying to leverage and size heavier, right? Do not do that. I'm telling you right now, learn from my mistakes, bro, because I'm an idiot about scaling way too quickly. But yeah, the market's already slowing down. I am done for the day, so I'm about to head out. Thank you guys for watching. Buy a bunch of accounts. Hey, but hey, we live, we learn. See, everyone made the same mistake in the chat, right? Same with Duma. Blew every single one of them. Me too, bro. I remember because like my first account or first payout was 2,000 with Apex from last year around May. And bro, I blew through that shit and I didn't. I mean, I was able to like maximize it to the best of my ability, and I was able to use that for a long time. But I didn't get another payout for like 5 months, bro, or 4 months or something like that. So I had a long dry streak, and then once it got to the end of last year, I feel like I always perform better near the end of the year. I think starting 26 or 2026, bro, I just gotta start off like really strong and consistently all the way through, bro. Because like for me, it only picks up until after summer for whatever reason, bro. I don't know why. But yeah, that was a really good trade today. I'm glad you guys were patient with me. We took that, we took 2 trades. First trade kind of played out, but not really. If you guys had a wider stop, you guys probably would have banked on this. But me personally, I got stopped. Second trade was a lot better overall. I was wanting to take the initial entry on the IFEG, but it just kind of left without me. So I wanted to see a flip on this candle right here. I wanted to see a flip down and then us flip back bullish, but we never got it. So I just took the confirmation instead. So once we got our confirmation candle, our trade looked like this. So yeah, it's about a 1-to-1, which is totally fine by me. Take the 1-to-1s, right? So I'll go do my now. You're gonna not to do, make slim mistakes and not greedy. Yep. Hey, I'm confident. I have confidence in all of you guys. You guys show up every single day, even though I was gone for like almost a month, right? Basically, you guys were still showing up, I'm sure, right? So as soon as I started the stream back up, like last week, I saw Mizu, I saw Duma, I saw everyone, right? Tradebreaker, I saw Fugaz, right? You guys are still grinding, so I know, right? You will go as far as you put your effort in, right? Or however much effort you put in, right? And I see you guys putting in effort, so keep going. Don't listen to what anyone else says, right? Believe in yourself. But yeah, good trade today. That is it for me. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? Tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. Before I leave though, yeah, 1% chance, 99% faith, 100%. Before I leave, if we close back below this fair value gap, I will expect maybe 560 to get taken. That was my initial want off open, but we never got it. So just be a little bit careful. Today is FOMC, like I said. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys back tomorrow. Oh, what up, Brian? Okay, before I leave, I'll answer your question. What's your risk management in eval and funded? On eval, I'm trading super aggressive. I'm trading like probably half the drawdown. Kind of just depends on the account. If it's Apex, I'm going max contracts on a really good trade. But yeah, do not listen to me. I only recommend that if you've gotten payouts before. If not, trade your eval like how you would trade your funded. Take it as long as you need, right? There's nothing wrong with taking a long time, right? I think in trading, our notion on money gets skewed heavily, right? Because now we see thousands of dollars going left and right, and we don't even bat an eye. But if it's your money, would you do that? I don't think so, right? So just trade it how you would trade your normal money, right? Listen to what Duma says, probably like 0.5 size, right? So 5 micros maybe. I risk on my normal funded account though. On my normal funded account, I risk between 250 to 400 per trade. And I'm on the 50Ks usually, so I risk around 250 to 400 bucks per trade. It just kind of depends on the setup. Sometimes you'll get better setups with better sizing, so I'll size a little bit heavier because I like the risk reward better. But yeah, eval, I would say I'm more aggressive, like just naturally. But once we get funded, that's time to make money. That's time to not mess up by sizing super heavy, right? So one mini is like what I'll typically go. Two minis is like if I have super high confidence and it's really good risk reward. But yeah, other than that, I try to stick it between $250 to $400. And then yeah, one mini max for most days. If it's a super slow day or really good PA where we just get hella momentum one direction, I'll go 2 minis. But Yeah, that is it for me. But the only reason I do that is because I only allow myself, for the most part, or at least I try to only allow myself 2 trades. So if I like have a really terrible trading day where I just get 2 losses back to back and I don't get any wins, like the most I'm down is probably $800 for the day, right? I'll just call it, because you know I only allow myself the maximum two trades a day basically, and then 2 losses of 400 basically. So I'm just only down 800. But yeah, that is it for me. I hope that helps. I will see you guys back tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the Discord, right? Just leave it in the Discord. Just at me like, yo, Monk, can you like answer this? But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Have a good trading day and stay safe.